Take 4. Hello again. So I've had this old toolbox kicking around for years. It's not been used in 4 or 5 years, just been in the shed. When I did used to use it on site, it would always be full of tools. Although you can move it around, it's just heavy and cumbersome. And surprisingly, it takes up quite a lot of room. So when I saw this the other day, I thought, what can I do with it? Surely I can do something with it. So I thought I'll turn it into a bait box. Let's see if we can catch a swarm. Can't hurt to try, can it? So what have I done? I have put 2 bits of timber in, and that will allow me to put frames of foundation in. If I had starter strips, I would have used starter strips, but I haven't got any starter strips. So it's full frames. So, and if I'm honest, I've actually pinched these from my friends. And in fact, these haven't been put together very well. There's no nails in them. Something else I've got to do. However, what I do like about this is if I turn this around this way, I don't know if you can see, but it's actually got like a trough in the back here. So I should be able to pour some syrup into it. Now, a couple of things still left to do. Now, my good friend Nick 3D printed me this in my my orange. I suppose you could call it Cornish gold colour. So let's stick that. And all I'm going to do is just stick a screw in it through a rubber bung that I found. And that should hold it tight. Ugh. Okay, so I shall mark that. And then we shall unscrew it. Oh, bit my bung dropping off. Now, I suppose if you don't have these bits, then you could probably use a spade bit, or you could probably just use a small drill bit and just drill lots of holes, and then eventually dig it out. There we are. So now I know this is plastic, but there's plastic everywhere these days. And interestingly, the average beehive apparently can contain as many as 50,000 plastic fibres. And they will pick up bits here, there, and everywhere. Ooh. There we go. So that's there. The beauty of this is, once the swarm moves in, I'll be able to just go simply, just turn this, job's a good one. That's it. Do I think we need an extra vent? Do I think we need an extra vent? I don't know. Don't know. I think to start off with, no. Now, next. Let's put that down. And let's pick that up. So if you recall, I was at the 2026 beekeeping show, and I spoke to a chap called John who worked for Vita Bee Health. There you go. And he gave me some of these swarm attractant wipes. Now, he said to me these were out of date, and that was about it, really. I can't see a date on it, but is there a date on it? Nope. Nope. But it also says, pierce a hole and hang from here. But anyway, if we go by what John says, I need to open this, wipe it around the inside of the hive, and then I'm going to leave this in there as well. Can't hurt, can it? And that's basically it. Then I just have to put it somewhere. Let's do that. Now, it says wear gloves. I'm more worried about chemical these days than anything else. But it does say on here, contains natural essential oils. Now, I've had things in the past that I've bought that smell lemony, and they do, and I'm sure it was flipping some sort of snake oil. It is lemony. It reminds me of a drink. But what's the one you get from Italy? Citronella? Is it citron? Here we go. Ooh. Right. Wipe this around, he said. Right. Whew. Strong. Right, we'll leave that in there as well. Let's get 4 frames in. Whew. I'm going to leave that all in there like that. Cool. Let's put the top on. Now we just have to put it somewhere. That's my magnolia tree. So I picked a load of the petals. We can make mead with that. Now, where are we going? We're going to go up there, I think. I'm going to go bring that step ladder down. And I'm going to sit the bees right there. Now, John from Vita Bee Health, he said it needs to be about 2 meters high. And I reckon that's about 2 meters high. Huh. Guess we'll see. Right, get me a ladder. Cool. Okay, so the wipe is still in there. The wipe is about there. Do you think I need to put it further back? Nope. I can smell it. It smells like sort of like kitchen wipes. Lemony kitchen wipes. One more thing to do. Get this breeze block on top. We'll put it on the smaller entrance, I think. Don't want water getting in there, do I? Maybe I should put a hole in the bottom. Anyway. Whew. Anyway, as I was saying, that's ready. So I suppose we just have to wait and see now. I will probably be coming out here every day having a look. Right, I shall pack up.